Right, so we have this product. It's called Acrygel. So yes, this is a Nails Urban Graffiti Acrygel. You can use it in UV or LED lamps to cure it. It's super fantastic. We have it in 24 colours. 24 colours. We're going to be using Peach Breeze. This product can be used over the top of tips. It can be used to sculpt out. It can be used even for 3D work. Oh my God, it's got like a multitude of uses. Today, we are going to use Toppets. Let's get cracking. So, we've already removed the surface shine from Andrea's nail. I've got a size 7. This is a size 7. These Toppets are reusable. I'm checking from side to side. Does it fit from side to side? And also, is there a little gap where the product can sit? I'm just going to check how the number 6 fits. Too wide. We're going to go for the number 7. If I show you a number 8, I'll show you how it looks. It looks too small. When you press it down, yes, it fits from side to side. However, there's not enough room in this sort of capsule here. We need enough room in there to fit the product. So number 7, it is. You'll need the Urban Graffiti base coat. This nail has already been cleaned with gel residue wipe-off solution.
And prepped, I'm assuming.
And prepped, yeah. We've removed the surface shine. And now we're going to go into the lamp. Because I've not used these Toppets for a while, I'm just going to make sure this is nice and clean. I'm cleaning over with the gel residue wipe-off solution. Right, so what you do is take the lid off. Look at this. Now you could just squeeze it straight into it and scrape it off. A little ball of product. I've got a dampen dish with gel residue wipe-off solution in, and that means I can just dampen down my brush. That's what you're going to use to move the product down the top of it. Now we've done this with acrylic. The difference with this is there's no setting time. It's not going to set. You can really play about with it. Right, we're going to put this right at the cuticle and gently press. And then you can clean the underside. I tell you what, that fly was brave then. So you can't do this with the acrylic really as easy because
it'll be setting.
Yeah.
So you're shaping it underneath?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
So if you look underneath, it's still smooth. Whereas the acrylic kind of sets, isn't it? And we found it was better with tips, but we will test that as well. Pop that in there. This is what you want to do when you have your tubes. You want to push it to the tip like that, then put your lid on, screw it nice and tight so it's airtight. Then you don't want to let any air get in to your tube. Air is not good for this product because it will have bubbles and we don't want no bubbles in it. Now we're going to twist and twist. Ta-da! We have a nail. Right, now I'm going to wipe over with, there's no sticky layer underneath. Slight sticky layer underneath. So let's give it a wipe all round. And then we're going to file this into a nice almond shape. It doesn't need a lot of filing in all fairness, just more like the shape, the free edge shape. And that nail is ready for, you know, any sort of gel polish. If you want to put a colour on. This colour's slightly transparent, so you can see a little bit of the nail, the natural nail. Not too bad. But I've checked and it is actually thick enough. I've checked all the angles.
What do you think about strength?
Well, I think the top, it gives you a nice apex in the back third, which is really important. And it does actually feel very strong. So I've top coated and a little bit of cuticle oil. But like I say, you could put anything on top of that. You could put your, you know, a bit of artwork or Urban Graffiti gel polish. Anything really, bit of bling. Super easy for anybody that's maybe struggling or basically wants a quick set. Like that. That's another video. We'll do a challenge. How quick can I do a set of nails with toppets?
Not as fast as me, I bet.
Oh! I will take that, and I will raise you £100. How about that then? Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Geordie boy. Slightly forgot to do the outro for that video, so you can see I have different hair, I have different clothes on, but here is the outro. So I hope you've enjoyed that video of how to create a nail using the Acrygel and the toppets. Super, super easy. I think we got that excited of how easy it was to do that we forgot to do the outro. But I hope that was okay for you. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram and Facebook and all that shebang. Everything that I've used today will be listed below as always. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.